And whenever hear Alkaline do something and come put on me dead. Whenever hear Alkaline do something and come put on me dead. Loud the man, bumbo Clout. Gaza me say, but I don't feel the fucking you, man.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox.
No, Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, you know what thing set, man. You see it. So people, you know, the brother you forward out and thing, and you know, must say something about Alkaline, and you know, the people must say, oh, Alkaline, donate and one bag of thing and rate and seeing, but we're going to a video and hear what the brother you say. You see it?
Whenever hear Alkaline do something and come put on me dead. Whenever hear Alkaline do something and come put on me dead. Loud the man, bumbo Clout. Gaza me say, but I don't feel the fucking you, man. Them man in advertising and the scene, let's do it and call it a day. Them man they help right now, you don't even know if my help. He probably send somebody and put in somebody's name and say, yo, you say how you do this. Low man. Everybody, everything you want to run with and how him not help and how this. How you know if the man help? How you know if the man help? Just because some other artists rather go out there and video and this and that and do something. You think say you know that man? The man probably get millions of dollars to all foundations or something, bro. But guess what? It's not a man that come out. Have you ever seen Alkaline actually come out and be like, yo, this for the people? He has never done. I'm not think the man that can ever do it. I'm not think the man that can ever do it. And this is one of the main reasons why I'm not doing it. Because guess what? I'm not gonna say my father and this man and my father that man there. You do not know. This man don't advertise. This man don't announce. Say man do not ask. How you know say donate from when they donate? Up on the internet.
Yeah, people, but see it? A real thing the brother talk. You see me? A real thing, because when you check it, see? Me never know say when you donate something, you have to go out there in a video and all of them little thing there. You see, knowing Alkaline is a man, brother, all when the man a drop song, the man not even do video for say you him a drop song, the man do less promotion, bro. You understand? So when me hear people say one bag of thing, but let me tell the people what go on. See? You see, because the top artists, them like Cartel and Massacre donate, and true you don't know the little rival with them and Alkaline, and that are the reason why. You say if them man never did a donate, me I tell you people, any Cartel and Massacre never did a donate, them wouldn't call out Alkaline. Them just want always put Alkaline in at the talk, but them a go make him thing look like say yo him nah do nothing and I try to discredit the youth thing. You see it? No other enough artists when I donate, you know. But just because Cartel and Massacre donate, cause before that, you know, when other artists before Cartel and Massacre do it, you know, seeing? Nobody never da call out nobody. Seeing? Especially when Cartel do it, cause when Massacre do it, you know. Yeah, when Massacre do it, nobody never did do it calling out like that. But when Cartel go do it now and they go here say, yo, Cartel donate $35 million a day. So now, everybody start calling, say, you know, them are, can't remember, you know, them done like Alkaline already, you know. So, some of the time I say, wait, say, man, we not like, me think, say, me never know so no one donation, but Alkaline always a donate. You understand? The youth always a give back. But because him not one of them youth, they will go out in the media and say, yo, yeah man, see me I donate 2 flour, yeah? Yeah man, 2 rice. Yeah man, 2 tin of mackerel and sardine. You understand? Yeah, him nah do nothing. But when I realize when Alkaline did that donate back then, you know, yeah man, me no see nobody a call out another artist, yo, you nah donate like Alkaline. But I saw it go. If Alkaline they forward out after Cartel and Massacre and some of the artists them and start donate after, say them call him out and him forward out and start donate. Same thing where you would say, them would yo, follow him, follow this man, through this man come out and you understand? That them would say no matter what Alkaline do, them always are go set things to bring down him and him brand. You understand? And I just saw the thing said, but Alkaline learn from these things and know say, yo, people and grief, as the man say, yo, you understand? Today them say gully tomorrow say plaza. You understand? Yeah. So people, right now if Alkaline was that guy where deal with up people and friendly, them would have been favorite. But through the youth keep to himself. But you know what to people? And a normal day in our society, you know, you see, if you just go in our community, see, and you not deal with people. See me? You not deal with nobody. And you just walk past people every day, or just a drive in your car, just a go about your business. Remember me tell you, you gotta have people where they are pray you. So that boy you going like him hypes one. You know, just because you just a be yourself, you know, deal with. You understand, or you stay far from people. Yeah man, they more criticize you and all. Remember, you know, people judge you more when them don't know you, you know. You understand? That's the thing. And sometimes when you get friendly and give people too much strength, you understand, you don't go weak out yourself, them can disrespect you more and all of them look at something there. You understand? Because let me tell you this, in a life, the same stone where the builder refuse are gonna become the head cornerstone. So you see, every time them go on like, yo, at this Alka, remember that they going to forward. The same youth want to bring down every day. Yeah man, him a go there represent. So go and do what I do. Cause at the end of the day, you know, that's why you see you know, to do social media and them look at thing there, you know, cause all him seeing at the media are just be a bring down thing. You understand? Because a lot of artists out there not doing it. You understand? Not doing it, and them not call them out. But me see a next brother you forward out and I talk about that thing. You understand? Listen what I say.
Let me see people that talk to Alkaline and do nothing for people them. Yo, this is sometime, it's this internet shit will drive people crazy, you know. Right now, Alkaline and in team they do more than every one of their artists for community. Enough people don't do things and talk about it, my friend. And everybody do things and post by internet, my friend. Yeah, and everybody do things with Clout, my friend. Some people do things naturally hard out of their own pocket, you feel me? Yeah, man, we also you to do things for, you know what I mean, for motivate people. Yeah, man, and everybody want, you know what I mean, load up them thing, you know what I mean? But you don't know, Alkaline, big up yourself, yeah, my friend. Anyway, the push.
Yeah, man, so, people, you see, remember, you know, enough for when we are drive on the road, you know, people. Zine, enough for when we are drive on the road. And we give one, you know, we see one homeless person them come by win. If I want like $100 like silver, we give them. We are donate to them. Zine, we not go around the bridge and say, yo, you know so me donate. You know so me give one lady or one man a supply $20. We not say it. Enough things we do in our life, we not say it. You understand? Sometimes I just have a willing heart and we just do it. But you don't know through the social media thing forward, you know, people. It's like everybody just do things to Clout. You understand? Because I remember so back in the days when people are donate, you know, see nobody come out and I say, yo, me donate this, them just do it. You have people who don't like them thing there. Them just want to do it without the camera and all of them like a thing there, brother. Them people, enough people don't love Clout. Especially Alkaline. Alkaline don't love Clout, brother. Him no love, if Alkaline he love Clout, he would have a day in the media more. You understand? I just people where when I rate him and hate him, make him relevant in the media. You see me? The man, I don't know. It's like sometimes I just feel like say some man has some real prophet or some scientist, cause there's no way. This a man I do this a man I only artist in a dancehall when I utilize social media. And the man name call out more than them people. You understand? More than them. Him name call up, and sometimes I wonder about it even expose a thing how society steer. You understand? It's like when the people them not see it, it's like they're more drawing to you. You see it because when you're scarce, yeah, you stay more relevant and thing. You see me? But when you're out in the media too much and too much, people tired of you. Them tired of you. You understand? Them tired of you, man. So the thing said, people, some of the time, you have to just, when people talk, I really pay them no mind, just do what you have to do, you understand? Because at the end of the day, Alkaline is not the government, and him still donate in the past, you understand? Nobody knows if the youth have container or barrel or him a buy up something for ship down for the people them, or him coulda not do anything right now just to the people them. Supposed to see a video and just boom, yo, Alkaline team them I donate where. What now go say after that? What now go see if you no see Alkaline ship down one 5 barrel or one container, 2 container, 3 container things for donate to the people and what now go say? What una go say? But me know what una go say. Una go say, see it? I know him a forward, yo. If Alkaline ever donate I'll do a donation. If Alkaline ever donate one barrel, you go hear them. Yo, how are this? This someone have money and the man a 1 barrel man donate. Where yo, Cartel donate 35 million. Yo, Massacre carry a truck and a thing with cement and way. How are this man? No matter what you do in a life, you see once people set for hate you, them just a go talk. No matter what good you do in a life, people are go always find some way to criticize. You understand? Some way them are go do it. You see me? Because them want the clout, them want the this, them want the bring down, them are find any way. And enough of them glad say, yo, enough artists do them thing and donate and I say, Alkaline, yo, me I call him out, you know. Seeing? Which on an Alkaline responsibility. You understand? When Alkaline a donate back then, you know call on other artists. You understand? So when other artists are do thing now, you forgive thanks. Because when Alkaline did that do it back then, none of them never did that do it. In foundation did a long time. Remember say I recently no foundation bill, you know. If Melissa never found no foundation wouldn't bill. You understand? Yeah. Let me tell you people, I'm Melissa the Hurricane. Yeah man, the Hurricane Melissa right now motivate enough of them people to create a foundation. If a hurricane never passed through, none of them would not create nothing. Me I tell you that. You understand? Alkaline Foundation did a long time. I donate 1,200,000 and towards the homes, in a homes to the people, them chemicals and all of them look something. There a long time the youth had do it. Homes in a COVID. Bro, some of the time, we appreciate artists, you understand? But we know how the system stay already. You see me? And me just rate how Alkaline move. Me just rate say, yo, the youth not really watch what the media say. The youth just lower for the media. You understand? That's why you see me that's why I rate say, yo, what the youth do are the real way how artists move. You understand? Yeah man, have him team go out there. So see him like this, some of the international artists, I saw them move. Them the two in the media like that. They make them team do things. You see them on stage. You don't see them on social media every day and them look a thing there, bro. You understand? You know no influencer like no social media or no TikTok a thing. You're artist where you perform for the people them. Yeah. See no bag of video and this and that and yeah, you can hang out with the brethren, but the bag of video and the Clout thing and everywhere you go and no man. Remember say as an artist you have value, you know. And you have to keep that. That's why a lot of dancehall artists fall out because them coming out them thing them there so they everywhere. You understand? So at the end of the day, nobody knows if Alkaline I go donate or when him I go donate. You don't know. But because you don't have patience. Through the other rest of artists, them do what them fi do already. You feel like Alkaline fi just rush out. Yo, rush out with them. Alkaline, I'm own boss. Him do things off a theme pace. You understand? Cartel a donate a theme pace. Spice donate, you understand? Everybody want in the media fi do them little thing. Alkaline is just not that man. If you see a man now, him never come out in the media and say nothing yet. Fi address nothing, fi promote nothing. So how you expect that man fi forward out and attack say, yo, me I go donate this, you know. Yo, Ray. No, another you there. You understand? The man just low key, man. Just if man I donate, him just donate. You understand? And just looking at the look what I go on, cause no for no go shame. Cause that is the thing, you know. No for no Alkaline. It's like you know Alkaline but you don't know him. Because you see him move with him team and everything, and you still expect certain little things. You understand? But I certain things that you can't please everybody, you know. Yeah man, but people who don't know things that, you know, yeah man, I want media facts man. That is it.